Assalamu alaikum everybody. As you can see, I already sprayed some of this rose water thingy in my eye and it was stinging so bad. But welcome back to my channel, Simply Hausa. I am Jamila, your host for the day. Alright, let's get started. I know, it looks like I'm in a car. Yes, I am in my car. But I have a good reason for going out at this time. Even though I probably shouldn't. But I needed to go to the store to get some things. We needed some things in the house. So I was like, okay, I've been stuck in this house for way too long. That was just me fixing my eyebrow. I don't know what was going on there, but I was trying to find the perfect angle. I know, I don't really need to put a lipstick on, but I was just feeling myself a little bit. I don't know why I keep skipping, but it kind of looks cool, I guess. And gotta put on that hand sanitizer everywhere. Don't worry, I washed my hands before I came out of the house, but still. Yeah, you're never sure what kind of germs are out there. I don't know why the film is doing this, but I guess it's kind of cool. A little bit. Not really. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go in and get some dates right now. There were a lot of police cars coming my way. I was like, hello there. So we're going to go to the side. Nobody there! It was crazy.
Bluetooth disconnect. Successful.
I felt so bad for the cashier. He's like, oh, you don't have work? I'm like, no. He's like, oh, lucky. He's like, he wants to go home. I'm like, what time do you get off? He's like, 9, like late at night. So what I did was I got a bunch of Korean noodles and Korean sauces so I can make Korean food. That's what I'm craving right now, so that's what I need to go make. I need to do one more errand, drop something off, and then yeah, we'll go to the house. Let's go! Kill him. Yeah, I'm tired. So I broke my fast with some dates, and now I'm eating my food. I made bibimbap, which is a Korean dish with rice and vegetables on the side and like spicy sauce. And then what I'm holding is this strawberry yogurt thing. I don't know. I see it on many Korean shows, so I was like, I need to try it. It was okay. It wasn't bad. It was really good. I don't know what I was expecting. Maybe I was expecting it to be thicker, but it was like more watery, which was actually better. But yeah, that was me drinking it. I don't know what I was talking about there. This drink, Vimto, is so good. I got it from my local Arabic store and I literally just drank it down. It was so good. Yep. And of course, had to try the new TikTok coffee drink. It's actually really good. So you basically whisk the coffee and the sugar together, make it into that consistency, kind of peanut butter looking, and then you put it inside milk and ice, and it just so smooth and nice to taste.
That was not as cool as I thought it would be. Oops. Okay.
And I'm just enjoying the coffee right now. Enjoying the smooth texture and watching some TV. I do not actually remember what I was watching exactly, but some kind of show, probably a Korean show, most likely. And I drank it up. That's probably why I stayed up until 3 a.m. Yep. And then, of course, I did some light reading. The Bluest Eye by Toni Morrison. It's a really intense book. I was gonna do like a little review about it maybe later on. But yeah. I also got just a little distracted by my show. I did read a little bit, but I was just so into the show that I just wanted to finish it. And yeah. And this is the end of the video, guys. This was part 1 of my quarantine days. I'm going to be uploading a lot more, maybe later on. But thank you for tuning in. If you watched till the end, I appreciate you 100%. And go subscribe, go like, and go share my videos. Thank you. Share the love always.